Imagine yourself in this BMW 2023 Series M340i. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Enjoy these notable features: turbocharged, rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, locking limited slip differential, aluminum wheels and tires, front performance. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.